welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it's hot. I don't know what I mean when I say my house hot. It hot like a scotch body pepper. Today, guys, Lord Mama Joan just think of one juicy little prank for pull pan my granddaughter Cyan. So this is what I am going to do to her. I am going to on the phone pretending that I'm talking to my girlfriend and she's planning a baby shower for me. So I will be talking, I will be talking about, oh, I'm pregnant, I'm 4 months old now, it's getting on there, and I want to know what she's going to do for this baby shower. So anyway, guys, before I get to any more further into this, I want you guys to remember to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell things of mine so you don't miss a post. I just want to see a reaction when she hear say our grandmother pregnant at my age. So guys, it will be juicy, it will be epic, it will be so nice, guys. So don't forget, remember when me say like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell. And we'll get into this video. I don't really want to tell you too much about it because I want you to see it, I want you to die of laughter. I buy this new black wig with a little bit of grey streak in it. I don't too like black wig, I like my grey wig because but guys, in the comment, tell me if you don't like it, tell me what you think about it, and tell me if you think say we can start wear black hair a little bit more, if it fit. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get this prank going.
I'm just always in these seats.
Plan this baby shower and look how long we say you have to do it and a time ago. Yeah, we need it to be like a you can do it like a Jack and Jill shower, so that way they don't hurry about it instead of just me, Mayela, and the rest of the girls then, we have other people there, so I can have a couple of friends there. So we are going to do it like you make it be a Jack and Jill. Yes, a Jack and Jill baby shower. Okay, a 5 months now, and baby can come early because St. Joseph is done early. Young blow them off the soap now. So with this one, with my age, in probably come early, so you have to and my belly a grow. So with the fact that my belly a grow, you have to hurry up and set a date for the shower, and then you can start what them call it, a directory or whatever, a certain baby place where them can go buy. Or you can do monetary gift. Monetary gift, if them give me monetary gift, you can buy my own, whatever me want, you can buy it. You understand? So you need to hurry up and set this thing in motion. Alright? Because as we say, my belly cannot grow, not you can't wait too long. Okay? Alright. So don't forget. As we say, time ago, I have to hurry up. We have to hurry up and do this thing here because
Grandma,
the belly are getting big and we need to really deal with it, and can't wait too long. Alright, so we need to really get it going. Because you tell me you're going to do too much week now, and I know you can't. What there? I know you can't get it together yet. So we need to get it together. What? Hold on, okay. Hold on, huh?
You're pregnant?
Yes. Yeah. Me call you back, cause me I want to talk to Cyan here. All right. But yes, you know.
You're pregnant?
Yes, I'm pregnant.
What
Something
the
wrong
fuck?
with that? Is something wrong with that?
Seriously?
Seriously?
Not 5 months?
Yeah. So where have you been? Weren't you here? Aren't you see? You don't see my stomach growing?
Grandma?
Yeah. You're here. I'm
I
telling you,
didn't
I am 5 months pregnant. You know.
I
So
didn't know that you were still going like that.
wait, of course, me and granddad still do whatever and so what they me give my honey pack. And we've been working. So what do you expect? You know?
Like
So
actually,
so these things happen. Look on my stomach.
I didn't know though. Like I didn't know you
But
could even, you were still having like your period. You could
Yeah,
still get
still
like,
getting there, still doing everything like what only young people do. So the whole time you in here, you don't see that my stomach is growing. You don't see.
Like
So
you
what
didn't
have
say
you been?
anything to me like
I
that.
didn't need to say nothing to you. Like just like how you're here, maybe every day. I figure you'd know what's happening, but you just go in out. You don't pay attention. So we're supposed to do a baby shower for me, and she been slacking off. So I talk to her about find out when is she gonna get this shit stick going. So like wait, what you expect? You know, look on
what's gonna happen?
look on my stomach.
Shit, man.
You never noticed your
I
grandmother's
thought
stomach,
that's
right?
just how it is.
No, honey, our little baby Bambina is growing inside you.
Wait, is Bambi gonna be the name? Is it a girl?
Bambino, I don't know. As we call it Bambino, I don't know whether it's a girl or a boy. You understand? But whatever it's growing there. Your grandfather downstairs, your grandfather know what's happening.
Oh my god.
You understand? So you in here and you don't know that you have another little uncle or another little auntie coming. You understand?
Oh my figure, bro. Oh my gosh, look a baby.
Yep. So that's it. You know, and you know, I'm looking forward for it.
Like this is just like sounding crazy to me. I didn't even know like you're still able to get pregnant like that. You're still doing those type of stuff. Like,
yeah. What do you think we're chop liver? Me and grandfather chop liver?
No, I'm not saying that.
We get just, you see, just like how you get Arnie, we get just as Arnie as you. And same like how you want to do your little dickity, me want to do my big dickity.
Alright.
You know, like, I'm just saying. I'm just saying,
Alright.
you know. It might probably look at it as too much information for you. But you're a grown girl woman now, you know, you're over 18 years old, you're soon 19, couple more months from this year, 19 years a big girl. So, you know,
okay, you don't need to get into like those many details.
No,
like,
I'm just telling you.
Just leave it there.
No, I'm just saying you need to know. So, you know, I'm just saying, you know, like me open up and, you know, it's just surprising if you see you're going back and forth and you don't see what's going on in front of your eyes, you know.
Well,
that's what
it's
I'm
just
saying.
like a shock. Like, who would have said, like, oh yeah, my grandma's pregnant? Like, you know, I thought you were done.
Well, you know, it running in the family because my mom of my last brother, she was over 50 when she have my brother Marlon. So
you're actually so excited, like little baby in here all day. So like, this is gonna be nice.
So there's no upset, no nothing.
I'm so excited, like little baby just in here, little shooby shabby little bambino. Like I'm honestly excited. I hope your pregnancy goes well. Like,
so
is it a risk?
It's so far it's not no risk. So one of the main reason why we decide to say, you know, me and Harry talk and we decide so we can have this baby is because you is here. You is like a in-home babysitter. We not have to worry about babysitter. We not have to worry about childcare because you're gonna be here. And the fact that me and him grow, me and him take care of you from your baby till this stage now. So now you can stay here and you're gonna be here. You can't go nowhere. And you can't help look after the baby.
Whoa.
Plus, me never get paid for look after you, but me can start with like $1 per hour, you know. as things goes by, and then you can put a little race on it. You know,
Wait,
but
I can't
basically
go anywhere?
no, because basically your life are gonna be an old. Like now for the fit up until the baby born, because it can come at 7 months, kind of me have all time carrying a baby to term. So it can come at 7 or at 9. So during them time that you can have your fun and enjoy yourself. But when the baby come now, then you have to be stayed home because you're gonna be a stayed home nanny and nanny honey, nanny auntie / whatever. Because as me say, you have to go help take care of the baby.
I don't have a problem like helping take care of the baby. That's totally fine. Just watching the baby sometimes is fine with me. But you're saying I can't leave the house, and you're talking about $1 per hour?
Yeah, because you're gonna be here help me take care of the baby. Okay, so who gonna help me take care of the baby?
Just said I can help you.
Okay, look at it this way. I couldn't leave the house, go nowhere with you, because I have to take care of you, and I take care of you free of charge. No, I think of paying you $1 per hour. So it's not like, so well, then you'll be doing it for nothing. Me do it for you for nothing. No, you're going to repay me back by doing whatever at $1 per hour. So I'm going to help you out at the same time.
$1 per hour? You can start with minimum wage?
Minimum wage is, remember you have a baby, you have to buy diaper, you have to buy clothes, you have to buy food. Them things are not cheap, them things are expensive. And look at it this way, me do all of that for you. You know, buy food,
Emma,
diaper,
I
and no
pay. You didn't even talk to me about this before deciding that you're gonna, what, were you trying for a baby thinking that, oh yeah?
It just happened because at our age now we don't think we need no protection. So we never expect it to happen, but it happened. So when it happened, then we have a conversation and we decide, so well then okay, we're gonna keep it.
No, Grandma,
and at the end of the day, you is gonna be here for help.
I said it's fine, like I can help out, but now you're trying to tell me $1 per hour? You
Okay. So okay. So
no, I'm not worried about that. And you're
so
saying
nothing then, nothing per hour. You just do it for free, just like how me do it for you for free. So you're not gonna look on it say, yeah. Remember, you still live, I get room and board where you're not pay for. So at the end of the day, so if me I go give you minimum wage, then me I go expect you to pay me room and board. So you would be just working to pay me back. I'm just saying.
This is like honest. This is ridiculous right now, Grandma.
What is so ridiculous? Isn't that fair? That is fair.
I need to still be able to live. Like how many years till that? If for the first maybe
okay, for the first 10
2
years.
weeks.
The first 10 years, you have to dedicate yourself. Maybe 10 years, 6, because at 6 them are gonna go full time school. So for the first 6 years, you're still in a young prime.
18.
Yeah, and 6 years
19,
from now. Yeah.
20,
Yeah,
21, 22,
it'll be 24.
24?
Yes, 24 are good years. You can't give me 6 years.
I said I can help you, but you're telling me, oh no, I'm gonna be under some type of strictness and I can't.
No,
leave
it's
the
not.
house.
It's not a matter say you're
Or
gonna be
I
under
have to
strict
stay,
distance, but you have to
full-time.
me look for the baby full time. Yeah. Okay. Remember,
So what are you
remember
gonna
me,
do?
Because you have to still take into consideration that I'm old and you're young, so you're gonna have more energy in your body than me. Me not go after me. I got the picnic. Me not gonna have no energy.
So late at night, who's gonna do that?
The thing?
Yeah, waking up.
You. That's why you're gonna be. Remember, you live here. It's not like well then you're out of road. You live here. So you have to get up.
I'm so sorry. I'm fine with it. Helping out is fine. I have no problem with it because I understand.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm saying I'm not gonna be able to do like every night or anything like that. If you need maybe a night then or 2 or 3 sometimes is fine. But especially straight after your birth is fine. I can help with that. But I'm saying for the long term, I'm gonna still need to be able to live my life because I didn't prep. Yeah. My belly's flat. I'm babyless right now for a reason because I don't want kids right now.
Yeah, but,
and you're basically just saying it I'm ready to be a teen mom, and I don't want to be a teen mom.
It's not you being a teen. You're going to be a teen inside your house. You're inside the house. Nobody not going to know say you're a teen mom when you're inside the house.
You're stressing me out. I need to eat.
Oh, am I stressing you out? I'm not stressing you out. I'm just telling you where I'm at. You're in here the whole time and you don't know what's happening with me. And now I'm telling you where I'm at and what I needed to do moving forward. And then you tell me nothing. Nobody, when you come to me as a teenager,
you know what?
Yeah.
like if you need babysitter,
Mm-hmm.
then like I can help you find one that can
And
come
are you
here.
gonna pay for it? Are you
I'll
gonna pay for
contribute
it?
to it. I will.
No. Contribute is helping. I don't have the money. That's what I'm talking about. I do not have the money, and because you are here, and I know you're not going anywhere. This is why I know you could be a full-time nanny for the baby. You understand me? You're not going anywhere. You're not doing nothing. It's not like somebody when you say
I
you
go
college.
places.
You tell me you're not go to college. You tell me you're not go to university, and the fact that you're not going to do those things, then make me say be okay with this, Harry, because she's gonna be home. If you never decide, so you're not
So
going to
how
school.
many hours a day would you think? Like 2 hours a day in the morning?
No, it's a 24-hour job. I'm gonna be here, but then you're gonna get a break.
I
You're gonna
can't
get a
do
break.
24 hours. I'm not like you're basically just throwing this on me out of nowhere. You're telling me the baby can come in 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4 months?
Yes.
Possibly?
Yeah, or possibly within 2 months.
Out of nowhere, you're just gonna you weren't even gonna tell me about this and you're talking to
Yeah,
your
but
friend about baby
I'm
shower.
talking to my friend Bobby because you're in here and I can't believe you're not looking and see what's going on around it to know that this is happening.
Well, we're gonna have to talk about this again some other time because right now I just don't even know what to say or think right now. I don't think I can do 24 hours, but I have no problem.
It's not a matter and say you're gonna do.
I want to be able to sleep.
You're gonna be able to sleep, you know, while the baby sleep. You understand me?
No,
And
I
you're gonna
still-
still be able to okay, then we can adjust the time where you can get a little 1-2 hours to go out, you know. You don't have a boyfriend right now as present time. It's not like someone that you have a life. You don't have a life except what's
Really?
in here. Yeah.
I don't have a life
No.
except what's in here.
Yeah, you have
No,
a life
that's
outside.
not true.
You
Yes,
have
I
a life
do.
outside
Yes, I
since
do.
when? So you have a life out the street and I don't know nothing about it. How the f does that happen? What the f? What's up with that?
What?
Why you tell me say you have life out the
Okay,
street?
you know what? I think
Yeah.
your pregnancy hormone, whatever's going on with you, is just actually making you be a little bit of like, I don't know what's going on. We both need to just breathe, and I need to go eat my food in my corner and think about all of this.
So
because
okay,
right now,
so this is my thing to you now. I am not upset. You understand me? I am good.
why would you
But-
be upset? You're having baby just to have baby. For
No,
me to
no,
take
no.
care of the whole entire time.
It's the fact that you're here and I know
I said it's
I
fine to
know
help, but
the-
every
oh,
day,
I
all
know.
day, like,
I know how good you are with kids, you know, that's one of the other things, because I watch you with Mason and Matt, especially with Mattia, and you're so nice and gentle with him. That's why I said to Harry, said, you know what? With this happening to him, we don't have to worry because Cyan is there to be the mother, you know, inside the house. She's there to be the mother, although she's a teenager, but she's a big teenager. 2 more years from now, she's gonna be 20, 24.
I'm sorry.
So it's
no,
good.
you can't have that kind of thinking, that kind of mindset over my young life. I still need to
But I
be
think,
building up myself, be
You-
establishing my career and stuff like that.
but
I
you
can't.
said you're
I need
not
the
going to
focus
school.
I
So
need
okay,
the
so how
mind
you gonna
to-
build up your career? How? In what way? You don't have a life outside this
I do
house.
my YouTube and I'm starting my online businesses.
You're not
I'm
doing,
not gonna
I
have
watch
time
you
for
don't do no YouTube for months now.
That's
This is
not
what,
true. Now you're doing too much, Grandma.
Am I doing
I'm so
too
sorry.
much?
I just think I need some space.
You need
That's
some
it.
space now? So
I need
which
to
part
go.
way you
I'm just gonna go upstairs in my room and just think about this right now. And I don't even know. Did you tell Uncle Reef about this miraculous plan?
No.
Well, I need
This
to,
is something
I
we
need
may
to go
discuss
and talk
with
to
you.
him about this because I need honestly somebody to vent to right now. So I'm just gonna go. Okay.
Why would you want to go vent? When I'm taking care of you, I didn't vent with nobody. I just take care of you because I said you have a responsibility. Now when the time come where you forgive back, you are telling me that you want to go freaking vent? If me they go, look upon you. Look upon you. This is all me. This is all me here. I did not vent. I just produce. I take care of. I don't get sleep and look at you. Look how beautiful you are from head to toe. I know you're telling me you need to go vent. Who the fuck does that? Huh?
Okay, I won't vent. I'll just sit in my thoughts. Okay. I just need to think right now. I'm
Okay,
gonna go.
fine. All
I
right.
can't do this right now.
Okay.
I don't even know.
Cyan, Cyan, one more thing me have to say to you before you go into your head. You got into your thoughts. Can you come here? Could you just come here?
I'm
Sit
still
down.
in shock right now.
Just come sit right here. I have one more thing to say to you, then you can go into your head. Just come right here. Just come right here. And then you can go into your head. I'm gonna leave you, make you go into your head. But before you go into your head, I have to say this to you. Your hand is nice and tight though, which is
Thank
good.
you.
Look at the hand where you have. This is my hand and this is me. Make this nice and tight. Look on your sides of your body come down to your leg. This is all my doing. Look on your beautiful face. And nice and clean and fresh and sweet. This is all me doing. I never go in my head. I never go have no thoughts what I'm doing. I have to do as a grandmother. Just listen to what I'm saying. Now me want you to do as you do as a granddaughter. For my little young what coming. But because you have to go into your head, go think about it here. It's just a prank. And you don't need to go into your head.
Thank God.
You know, you don't need to go into your head
Seriously?
to think about it. Yes, sweetheart.
I'm
Seriously.
here thinking this is real life. Like seriously, we're about to have a kid. Like for real.
Yes, yes. But it's just a prank, sweetheart. No, you tell me no. You think your grandmother and your grandfather still do them little hanky panky and still do them little thing and thing. But
Okay.
but your granny can't got no babies. No babies not going to come this way. Okay, it's just messing with your head there. I'm betting you go think in your
No,
head.
this is sickness. This is sickness. Because I'm here thinking that you're really having a baby. Seriously.
Oh God! Oh God, Lord, I was just messing around with you.
Can't do that type of shit.